I've been using my torque wrench a bunch, swapped out and just changed over some components and used this guy a ton. 2 to 24 Newton meters, plenty of range there. And then it goes from, what do we got in the Torque's head? We have a T20, T25, which I was just using, T30, and then from a 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10 Allen head, and then a long 5 and a long 4. Those are nice for the hard to reach areas of the bike. And a 3. I forgot he was living up here. But yeah, awesome torque set. Awesome torque wrench set. I was thinking of the Torques. Yeah, such a great set. Use it all the time, just so I can guarantee that I'm not going to crack my carbon in my handlebar or my frame.